I hate this already. Today, we're trying instant noodle recipes from around the world. Don't forget to thumb this video. First stop, Indonesia.
You've been cooking these wrong your entire life. We're gonna put our noodles straight into the kettle. Shut the lid. So seasonings go into the plate. The noodle water, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. When you're having mee goreng, you have to have 2 eggs. The noodles are ready. We're gonna strain the water. And our noodles are perfectly cooked. Give the noodles a mix. 2 egg. This is how you make mee goreng.
Today we feast. Your kitchen queens are back. Was anyone else triggered by him putting the noodles into the kettle? It'll be our first time cooking noodles like this. Kettle acquired. Let's put our noodles inside. I already know this is gonna taste amazing because it's Indomie.
Every time I eat this, I have to eat minimum 2.
Otherwise, it doesn't hit the spot, right?
Yeah.
It's just like, it leaves you wanting more. Today, we're just gonna cook 1. I know, but that's because we've got a couple of noodles to try. In goes our noodles. Now we boil this. We're gonna fry 1 egg. Dim Sim Lim, don't come for us. I put a little bit more oil than usual because his egg looked like a cloud. Put the heat down so we don't lose an eyeball. How do I like make it cloudy? I have to put like the oil on top.
Yeah, it's because he's using a wok, yeah.
Clearly, we're not wok girlies.
Now I feel like you're just making the egg oily.
It is. It's an oily egg.
Our kettle's boiling.
Our kettle's like kind of like spit out all this hot water. Okay, guys, like put only a little bit of water. We filled ours half and that was too much. Disaster. How did we even mess up?
Oh no, everything is
Everything's
wet and
wet.
oily.
Starting off with some chaos.
So seasoning on the plate. The powder seasoning.
Oh, it smells good already.
A dash of the noodle water. Mix, mix, mix. Smells like a late night supper. I've poured the water out.
Oh my god, the steam sauce.
Did we just get a steam facial? Give that a mix. Add our egg on top. Da, 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 da. Gourmet. You want chopsticks or fork?
What do people eat instant noodles with?
That is a deep question. Do you guys eat instant noodles with a fork or chopsticks? I'm a chopstick girl. Well, you do you. Here's your fork. Look at our masterpiece.
Murdered.
Murdered that egg. Indomie, get into our bellies.
Cheers.
Flavor, amazing. Egg on top, spectacular. Only thing is for me, I don't know about anyone else, but I like my noodles al dente.
Got that chew?
This is not mush just yet, but it's like past al dente, just like soft noodles. Might be a genius hack because you don't need a strainer, but also very dangerous if you fill up too much water because you can just spit out at you.
And also you gotta clean it after because you don't want to be drinking instant noodle water.
Hands down, this has to be a double thumbs up. You can't go wrong with Indomie. If you love Korean Shin ramen, you have to try this new flavor.
It's so creamy. If you find this, you need to try it. It's that good.
We had to travel all the way to Korea to get these noodles, so they better be good. Speaking of Korea, this is the perfect time to talk about how I make traveling fuss-free, especially when it comes to managing my money, which you guys know can be such a hassle sometimes. This is my Revolut card and it's made all my international trips so much easier. Right now, they're offering $40 when you sign up to the app and make your first purchase. That's $40 straight into your account. Head to the link in my description or scan the QR code to learn more. I no longer have to worry about exchanging money before I leave, what to do if I need cash, getting mobile data before I travel, or anything like that at all. They've got plenty of travel necessities in one place, so I can pack these and go. I discovered Revolut 2 years ago and haven't stopped using them since. Revolut is a simple and easy to use app, which is handy if you're on the go. You can create a Revolut account, order a card, and even design it all in minutes from your phone. I love that mine is personalized and made from high quality metal. Before using Revolut, I'd come home from trips and be shocked at how much I actually spent once the conversions and fees were added up. Now I get instant notifications right from my phone showing exactly how much I spent in my home currency. Now I can keep track of all my noodle shopping sprees in real time. Remember, you can get $40 when you make your first purchase after signing up to Revolut. You can learn more about Revolut using the link in my description or scan the QR code. Now let's try these Korean noodles. For this, you want to cook it in 600 ml of water. After 3 minutes, Yes, our noodles look al dente, so let's drain this. In goes our sauce. Oh, why does this look so deadly?
It's supposed to be spicy and creamy.
So there's the spice. Here's the creamy cheese. That stinks. Oh, it stinks like cheese.
Oh, what?
It's pungent. It's
Yeah.
pungent. Picture like a Parmesan cheese, guys. Woo.
Oh, it is strong.
Ooh, like if someone came over and they didn't know you made noodles, they would be questioning what is that aroma. Okay, once mixed, I will let you know that the smell does go away. Better, better. It's glowing up. Here comes the reveal. This is calling Zen's name. All this like spicy ramen budak stuff she can devour.
Especially when there's cheese too.
I'm a little bit weak, you know, but I'll just represent the minority of non-spicy eaters. I tell you what,
that.
I like how thick these noodles are. I like the Shin ramen thickness. It's a bit more chewy, and because ours is al dente, oh, it's creamy. Bon appetit!
잘 먹겠습니다.
Surprisingly, not like burning a hole in my mouth.
But there is a kick to it.
There's definitely spice, but the cheese does tone it down. I'm okay, I'm not sweating.
I like the creaminess to it. Giving like pasta vibes. Like carbonara.
Spicy carbonara vibes with budak sauce.
I can feel the heat already, so you must be feeling it.
It grows on you. Excuse me. For days that you want a kick, definitely try this out. If you are a fan of all those like budak spicy like fire
Samyang
noodles,
series.
and if you're not a wuss like me and put half a packet of sauce, then I think you can totally deal with this. For this, I'm giving it a 1 thumb.
I'm doing double.
The next instant noodle is from India.
I can easily solve your problem. This recipe is so easy, even your wife can make it. All you need to make this recipe is Maggi masala. I'm adding some frozen and some fresh vegetables just because these are the things I had. You can just choose whatever you want to add to it. Fry up your masala before you add the Maggi to it. You want to make sure the masala is nicely cooked. Maggi masala. Just make sure that your heat is medium to low, and you want to make sure the water is all dried up. Add some coriander for garnish, and that is it.
This is our first time trying these noodles. Instead of it being individually packed, it's just like one big packet. Once again, we're doing a smaller portion. I'm using shallots instead of a red onion because I don't got that. For this recipe, we're just gonna do like her and season as we go. So a little bit of salt. In goes our tomatoes. Fry up the seasoning and then add some more spice. Frozen veggies. Mix, mix, mix. Add in our noodles. Then water, and we're gonna cook this down. Finally, we're gonna add some greens and give it a final mix. This actually looks amazing. It smells delicious, and it looks really pretty too. I'm excited to try this. Gotta get a bit of everything. Wait, I'm gonna need a spoon. You want a spoon?
No, I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Do you got it?
Bottoms up. Cheers.
The tomato adds a nice flavor. I'll tell you what, adding the veggies in just adds another element, like a layer of...
Yeah, it gives that nice texture. I kind of feel like I'm a little bit more healthier.
Yeah. It's got that nice masala flavor with a bit of spice, a tiny bit of a kick, but your girl can handle it.
This makes me like think about the last time we did Indian recipes.
Yes, and that was a big hit.
Yes.
Thumb this video if you guys want to see Indian recipes part 2.
We should totally do it.
We gotta do it.
It's been a while. The
We
last
gotta
one
do it.
was when you were in Singapore.
Even if you guys don't vote for it, I think we gotta do it. I'm going for another bite. You gotta get like the tomato.
You know what? I like that it's kind of mushy. You know what I mean?
For some reason, like the soft noodles work with this. Right? But the other ones, I like it al dente. This one, I don't know, maybe because the flavors and the veggies just go together so well.
It's good. It's good, gosh.
This was really hard, but I think we have to give this a double thumbs up. India noodles, you're sleeping on me.
No, we're sleeping on it.
Oh, we're sleeping. Indian noodles, we're sleeping on you. This noodle from Singapore looks gourmet.
This is one of the highest rated instant noodle brands, and I want to show you how I make it. And just by feeling the noodles, you can tell that the quality is a lot better than usual. So just boil your noodles, put your spice packets in, then I garnish with cilantro, scallions, bamboo shoots, hot chili oil, shrimp, and a squeeze of lime. And these taste so delicious. It's just as good as something that you would get at a restaurant.
This is probably the most expensive instant noodle from today. And the thing is, when I lived in Singapore, I saw this everywhere, but I don't know, maybe it was too expensive for my budget that I was like, nah. But today is the day we bowling out to try these laksa noodles.
Like, even the packaging looks luxe.
I mean, look, it says Prima Taste. They're like huge packets.
Wait, in her video, she adds the noodle first.
No, she did it wrong, okay. We just scanned the QR code and watched a full tutorial. You're supposed to add the soup base into the water first.
You heard it here first.
Oh, it's literally laksa paste. Get every last drop. In goes the premix. This must be the coconut.
Yeah. Ooh.
Wow.
Oh my god, it smells so
It
good.
actually smells legit. I want to go back to Singapore and eat.
Oh, it smells really good.
Check out these noodles, not fried. These are premium noodles for sure.
And we're supposed to low boil this for 7 minutes.
Okay, low boil. Noodles are done. In goes a lot of greens. Unfortunately, I don't have any bamboo shoots, but we do have chili crisps. And then a squeeze of lime on top. Yeah. Masterpiece, we are master chefs. Zen has to speak Singlish for this.
Just for this whole tasting part?
Yeah, just for this whole tasting part, you know.
I feel so awkward now.
Get into character.
I feel like I'm Singaporean Zen Emily. Wow, look damn nice, yeah. Wow.
We need to try a bit of the broth.
Oh, that broth.
We've lost the Singaporean Zen already.
Cheers. That is gourmet. That's premium.
This doesn't even taste like an instant noodle. Like, that's mind blown. I feel like I just bought this from like a restaurant. The noodles have the best texture and the broth is so hearty, so creamy. It is on point, guys.
Shiok lah! Shiok lah! Damn nice, yeah?
I'm kind of mad I didn't try this earlier.
All those years living in Singapore, never ever tried
I walked
it.
past those aisles and I was like, too expensive. That's too bougie. I could just go and eat a bowl of laksa for almost the same price.
This one confirm 2 times lah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This laksa dish is
Confirm 2 times lah. I cannot lah.
Now for the hardest question of them all. Which noodle do you like the best today? Oh, I'm conflicted. If you were stranded on a deserted island, which noodle would you bring with you? I'm sorry, but Primo girly, this is hands down so good. Maybe it's just something different. This is just bougie.
I might have to go with this.
I knew it. I knew Zen would pick that. She's just like a spicy bulldog girly. Now, obviously, there's so many other instant noodles from different parts of the world we haven't tried. So if you guys want to see part 2, let us know in the comments.
We need to try like instant Vietnamese.
We represented Singapore. Now we need to try a Vietnamese, like a pho or something.
Yeah.
That's it from us. Don't forget to subscribe, and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to thumb this video. Indonesians, thumb this video. Our Indian fans, you know you gotta like this video. Singapore, you may be small, but you are mighty.
Happy to say